Today we're going to take your standard size card and we're going to turn it into a pocket that holds cash, lottery tickets, and gift cards. Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make a pocket for all these cards. Well, actually 3 of them for Christmas, but don't forget you can use this idea for your birthday cards as well. So inside each of the cards we're going to make a pocket, and we're going to make a 3 pocket, a 2 pocket, and then just 1 pocket. And these pockets can hold cash, lottery tickets, and or gift cards. Okay? This is a great idea for those last minute gifts and for those cards that you've made that you haven't really given out. So this is a way to transform the cards into gifts. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be demonstrating all 3 of the pockets. So the first one you're going to need I'm using the Whisper White, and this piece is cut at 6 by 10. And then this piece is cut at 5 by 6. And then this piece is cut at 6 by 7.5. Okay, so let's start with the larger one that's going to make your 3 pockets. So let me grab my paper trimmer. Okay, so this is the 6 by 10 piece. We're going to score it on the 6-inch side across the top. We're going to score it in half at 3 inches. And then we're going to turn it on the 10-inch side, and we're going to score this at 2.5, 5, and 7.5. Okay, now we're going to grab our next size. This is the 2 pocket. This is cut at 6 by 7.5. So along the 6-inch side, we're going to also score this in half at 3 inches. And then we're going to turn it on the 7.5-inch side, and we're going to score this at 2.5 and 5. Remember, this is going to be for your 2 pockets. And then this is the 1 pocket. So if you just need 1 pocket for either the lottery tickets or some cash or a gift card, this is your pocket right here. So this piece is cut at 5 by 6. So along the 6-inch side, we're going to score this in half at 3 inches. Then along the 5-inch side, we're going to score it at 2.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and move the trimmer. Okay, so I'm going to grab my paper snips. Okay, so we're going to start with the 1 pocket, and this is the 5-inch by 6-inch, and we're going to cut on the 2.5-inch score line up to that 3-inch score line right there. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and fold all the score lines. So let me grab my bone folder. Now, since I'm using the cardstock, it might be a good idea to fold all your score lines both ways. Just will make the pockets form a little bit easier and go together, okay? So this is 1 pocket. Let's go on to the second one. So this is 2 pockets, and we're going to cut on the 2.5 and the 5-inch. So we're going to cut at the bottom on the 2.5. Okay, and then on the 5-inch, we're going to flip it over and do that other side, which is going to be the top or the bottom. Just trying to see that score line here. Okay, so you have your 1 cut up at the top, and then your 2nd cut is at the bottom. Remember, this is going to be for the 2 pockets. Okay, so then our 3 pockets, we're going to cut on the 2.5. And the 7.5. Hold on, I gotta see that score line. 7.5. Then we're gonna turn it, and we're gonna cut, since we cut these 2 at the top, we're gonna cut the 1 in the center at the bottom. And this is gonna make your 3 pockets for your gifts, okay? So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and fold all our score lines. Okay, so since we got the 3 pocket one out, let's start with this one. Okay, so we're going to start with our 2 cuts at the bottom, and we're going to start folding. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold back and fold up. Then we're going to fold over. Then we're going to fold down. Then we're going to fold over and back, and then over and back like that. Okay, so you're going to end up with these two little side panels right here, and then you can kind of see how the pockets are forming right here. So you have 3 pockets right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some designer paper. I'm going to be using the Label Me Lovely punch, and since I'm using these 3 cards, I went ahead and picked the designer paper that will match each of the cards. Okay, so I'm going to make the 3 pocket one with this balmy blue version. So I'm going to take some balmy blue designer paper, and I'm going to cut 3 of the labels, since I have 3 pockets for this one, right? So we're going to cut out 3 of the punches. And we're just going to go ahead and fold these in half. Right? Then we're going to put some adhesive. I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus, and we're going to put some adhesive on each of these labels. Okay, so we're going to take our Whisper White piece right here. So this is where we're going to put our little punch here. We're going to take one. I'm going to put this right along the side. I'm just lining it up visually here on the side. So this is one of our pockets, and then this one, take our other punch, line this up over here, and then this one right here, take our last punch right there. Now you could also punch a little circle, like a little half of a circle punch out, so you can grab the money or the gift card a little bit easier. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my shaker card, which I have right here. I'm going to open that up, and we're going to close up our pockets just like this. I'm going to put adhesive only on one side for right now. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2 label punches right here, these 2 going up, and then I'm going to put my pockets inside the card, and I'm not putting it right onto the score line because I want that to be able to fold over. See, when I actually fold the card over, it's actually moving that gift card holder part over so it closes correctly. Okay, so there's your pockets. Now we're going to go ahead and put adhesive on this section over here. We're going to close that up just like that. Okay, so then you have your pockets right here. So let me show you how it fits the lottery tickets. Just like that. Then you can put a gift card in here just like that. And then also money is always good. Cash is king, right? So you can hold your 3 gifts in there. Now to cover up this section, I cut out 2 pieces of Whisper White. Let me grab those. And these pieces are cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And these will cover up those layers there. So let me just go ahead and put these inside the card. Isn't that great? So you just transformed your card into a gift with these cute little pockets. All right, now let's do the 2 pocket card. So this is the 2. Let me go ahead and fold my score lines on this one. Okay, so here's the 2 pocket version. Now remember, this one is the 6 by 7.5. So once again, we're going to fold this. So you're going to fold it up, then fold it over, and then fold it back, fold it over, and then fold it up. Okay, so once again, here's your 2 wings that are going to get attached to the card, and then you have your 2 pockets. So once again, we're going to put this into this card here. So I picked the designer paper to match this, so let me grab that. I'm going to punch out 2 of those since we have 2 pockets. I'm going to fold these in half. This is going to make one pocket. And then this one is going to make the other pocket. So you have your 2 pockets right here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and put this one on the inside of our card. So we're going to put this right in the center, close our card. Then we're going to attach our other side. Fold that over. Then you have your 2 pockets for this one here. So our lottery ticket and our gift card. Right, fits inside. Okay, so we're going to cover this section up as well with 2 pieces of Whisper White. So there's our 2 pockets for our Christmas card. Now we're down to 1 single pocket. So this is the piece that's cut at 5 by 6. Remember when we just cut on the 2.5 inch mark right up to that 3 inch, and you're just going to fold it over and then back. And then this is going to make your single pocket with your 2 wings here. So let me grab that designer paper. Going to fold this in half. Going to seal up our pocket, and I went with the polka dots because the front of this card has the polka dots. And then once again we're going to put adhesive on one side, and then we're going to, let me see here, we're going to put this in like this, close that up. I'm going to put adhesive on this side. Close that up. Okay, so since this card has the Whisper White base, I went ahead and did the 3 3/4 by 5 with the Poppy Parade, and then I did the Whisper White with the 3.5 by 4 3/4. Okay, and then that's your 1 single pocket that can hold 1 lottery ticket or your gift card. Fits perfect. Isn't that cute? So there's your 1 pocket, your 2 pockets, and your 3 pockets. Isn't that awesome? All right, so don't forget your birthday cards too. Starting a new year, we're going to give out lots of birthday cards this year, so you can make these into gift card holders as well, okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. Then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.